You can now access your Carbon Voice messages as well as your voice memos right from inside ChatGPT. Let me show you how it works. So in order to do this, you'll first need to set this up. I'll do a separate video on how to do that, but you'll see it listed here. Generally the way you get to that, just so you know quickly, you hit connect more and come in here. But I'll do a separate video on how to set it up. But let's, anytime you want to come into a window, you want to access it, you just hit @Carbon Voice. You'll see it here. Now you're going to be asking questions about Carbon Voice. So let's start out with a voice memo I just posted. And I'm going to tap here and add it. You'll see that it's going to go off to Carbon Voice, grab the messages, and then bring them back. So we'll give it a second here. And as you can see, it's come back. It's captured what I recorded, cleaned it up, gives me a link to go back to it. So that's really cool. Let me show another thing that you can do. You can access conversations. So what we did is we created a conversation the other day and did a sprint retro. Everyone spoke at the same time, talking about what had gone well, what could have been done better, and what we could do differently next time. In total, this was about 3 or 4 minutes of everyone speaking, but it was about probably 20 minutes of audio all captured together through about 30 different messages. And so we got complete involvement from the team, but then we wanted to make it really quick to summarize what had happened. So that's what's going to come back here, and you'll see what it looks like. So it's come back, and as you can see, it pulled the sprint retro conversation, found it, and then it's summarizing what went well, what everyone's excited about, what we could do differently and improve, different things to try. And it's continuing to build this out, and this became the foundation for our discussion as we talked through the sprint. So this is awesome for taking long conversations. One of the big things about Carbon Voice is being able to talk without jumping into meetings, so you can have conversations back and forth, and then get all of this information out. And as you can see, this is also creating quick links where I can then tap over and jump into those messages. Another thing you can do if you want to see what all is possible with Carbon Voice is you can ask what tools it supports. You'll see this. You can also find it on our website at getcarbon.app/MCP. But you can see here, you can do find messages. It's able to add attachments to messages, create new voice memos, new messages, be able to find and access conversations, be able to get to various AI actions that we can apply to messages, find the users, etc. So lots of abilities. We'll keep adding stuff as people want it, but super excited to have this available, and let us know what you think.